Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this romantic Valentine's Day cut crease makeup look. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Also make sure you give this video a like and leave a comment down below. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 22, and the reason that I'm talking in this first clip is because this was supposed to be a talk through video, but the wind kept howling, so I had to make it into a voiceover. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude Rich eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the darkest shade in the palette in the bottom right hand corner, and I'm just going to pack this onto the outer portion of my eye. To set around my eye, I'm using the NYX HD Finishing Powder. This just helps the rest of the shadows to blend smooth and evenly. My next shade is this hot pink shade that is right next to the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just using this to blend out that shade, and I'm also going to blend it into the crease. Next, I'm taking the shade in the very middle, which is this light pink, and I'm just taking a very fluffy blending brush and just blending all of those colors together up towards my brow bone and into the crease. To cut my crease, I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm just blending out the edges of where we cut the crease so that it blends smoothly. For my shimmer shade, I'm mixing these two pink shimmers in the Nude Rich palette and just applying that right on top of where we put the glitter primer. Just to add a little bit of extra shine, I'm using this House Labs liquid eyeshadow in the shade Fraise Bronze, I believe is how you pronounce it, and I'm just applying it directly on the lid. Moving on to the face, I'm starting with the 4th Ray Beauty Turmeric Face Milk to add some extra moisture. And for my first primer, I'm using the Too Faced Major Hangover RX Primer. For my second primer, I'm using the Farsali Liquid Powder Serum just on the areas where I get a little bit more oily. I'm just going to color correct with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 440. For my foundation, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and I'm in the shade New Caledonia. For my concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. To contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to apply this and blend it out before blending out my concealer so that it has as much coverage as possible. I'm just using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 22 to brighten up the inner corner of my eye. To set, I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. I first press this into my eyes and then I just leave a light layer on the inner corner to bake. For bronzer, I'm using the Revolution Pro Ultra Matte Bronzer in the shade Dark. For my blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Powder Blush Palette and I'm mixing the two shades at the bottom. To highlight, I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in the shade Glazed, and I'm just going to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. I don't usually highlight my Cupid's bow, but I decided to try it again today, and I really like how it turned out. Now I'm just going to apply my lashes, and then moving on to my lips, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Dimensional Dark Brown, as well as the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in the shade Kola. For my lipstick, I'm using the MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade Whirl. Lastly, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Fenty Glow. And that is it for today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Please make sure you also subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!